Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadget Audit. The world of tech moves fast, and Amazon is always flooded with new releases. But finding the truly impressive stuff, the gadgets that actually push boundaries or solve problems in clever new ways, that's the real challenge. So today, we're talking about fresh designs, smart new features, and some genuinely innovative tech that's absolutely worth your attention. All the links to explore these products for yourself are, as always, down in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's dive into the new arrivals. Kicking things off at number 1 is a deceptively simple gadget that solves a major workflow bottleneck for creators, the Acer Dual Slots SD Card Reader. In a world of wireless transfer, sometimes a wired connection is still king for speed and reliability. This reader stands out with its simultaneous dual card slots. You can read from a standard SD card and a micro SD card at the same time, which is a huge time saver. It features a dual-headed design with both USB-A and USB-C connectors, so it works natively with modern laptops, tablets, and even phones without an adapter. It promises fast 5 Gbps transfer speeds, is built from durable aluminum, and has protective caps to keep the ports safe in your bag. For photographers, drone pilots, or anyone who needs to offload footage quickly and reliably from multiple sources, this sleek little tool is an impressively straightforward and powerful upgrade to your kit. Alright, for number 2, we have a gadget that feels like a total game changer for cyclists, the LIVALL Lite PicoBoost 2 e-bike assist kit. Ever thought about getting an e-bike but didn't want to buy a whole new expensive ride? This is the clever solution. It's a self-contained 250-watt motor and battery unit that clamps onto the rear wheel of almost any existing adult bike in minutes. No wires or permanent modifications needed. Suddenly, your regular bike gets electric pedal assist for up to 31 miles. The smart sensors automatically provide extra power on hills and reduce effort on flats by up to 50%. When you're done, you just unlock it and take it with you. Its battery can even double as a power bank for your devices. It's an incredibly impressive and accessible way to electrify your current bike, extending your range and taking the sweat out of commutes or recreational rides. Next up at number 3 is a fresh take on a common problem, e-ink Bluetooth tracker tag. We've all seen Bluetooth trackers, but this one adds a brilliant practical twist. It features a customizable e-ink display on the front. That means you can set it to show a photo, your name, or contact info. If you lose your keys or bag, anyone who finds it doesn't need an app. They can just read your phone number right off the tag. Whether you want to locate or track anything important to you, you can bind it to your photo tag. When you find it, the photo tag tracker tag will trigger a loud ringtone to quickly locate nearby items. Of course, it has all the smart features. It works with the global Find My network for iOS, plays a sound for close-range hunting, and sends separation alerts. The e-ink screen uses almost no power, contributing to a 10-month battery life. It's a more thoughtful, versatile, and visually personal approach to never losing your stuff again. At number 4, we're looking at a gadget that brings pro-level athletic training right to your home or office, the PONGBOT Portable Table Tennis Robot. This is far more than a simple ball launcher. It's a fully programmable smart training partner. Through its app or remote, you can control ball speed, spin, frequency, and precise landing spots with incredible granularity. It features 264 built-in drills and the ability to create custom routines, catering from total beginners to advanced players looking to hone specific shots anytime you want. It's definitely a seriously impressive fusion of sports equipment and intelligent tech. Coming in at number 5 is a gadget that brings Hollywood-style camera movement to your desktop, the Trexo Wheels Top Dolly Camera Slider. This is a precision filmmaking tool for creators. It's a programmable, motorized slider that lets you capture buttery smooth tracking shots, time lapses, and complex product reveals with repeatable accuracy. What makes it truly impressive is its intuitive learning mode. You can manually guide the camera through a movement once, and it will memorize and perfectly replay that exact path every time. You can also design intricate moves using its app, drawing paths on your phone screen. It includes a turntable for 360-degree product shots and uses ultra-silent step motors, making it perfect for interviews or quiet environments. For videographers, product photographers, or anyone serious about elevating their production value, this compact slider unlocks a new level of professional, repeatable camera motion. Alright, for number 6, get ready for a portable theater experience that defies expectations, the soundcore Nebula X1 Pro. This isn't just a projector, it's a complete all-in-one cinematic system on wheels. The centerpiece is an incredibly bright 4K triple laser projector with 3500 ANSI lumens, but what makes it revolutionary is the integrated wireless Dolby Atmos 7.1.4 surround sound system. The projector and multiple wireless speakers work together to create a truly immersive room-filling audio experience that you can drag to your backyard, a friend's house, or any blank wall. It's designed for instant setup with auto-correction features and even has a built-in telescopic handle. For movie nights, gaming, or big sporting events, it packs the combined power of a high-end projector and a premium soundbar system into one portable roll-anywhere unit. It's a massively impressive leap forward for portable entertainment. Next up at number 7 is a gadget that reimagines the family command center for the digital age, the Cozyla Digital Calendar. This is so much more than a screen that shows the date. It's a dedicated touchscreen hub designed to sync and streamline your entire family's life. It pulls events from everyone's Google, Apple, or Outlook calendars into one shared view. But the really impressive features are the integrated digital chore chart with a reward system and a smart meal planner that can generate grocery lists. Family members get colored avatars, earn points for tasks, and you can customize the dashboard with widgets. It replaces paper calendars, sticky notes, and family meetings with a single, always updated, interactive display. For busy households, it's a brilliant way to bring organization, responsibility, and a bit of fun onto one shared screen. At number 8, we have a gadget that blends vintage charm with modern versatility, the Adventurer's Typewriter-Style retro mechanical keyboard. This keyboard is an absolute conversation starter. It perfectly captures the distinctive look and tactile feel of a classic typewriter, complete with round keycaps and that satisfying clicky blue mechanical switch feedback. But underneath that retro exterior, it's fully modern. It connects via Bluetooth 5.0 to 3 devices at once or works in wired mode over USB-C. It features LED backlighting, a practical built-in phone holder, and full compatibility with PCs, Macs, tablets, and even phones. It's for writers, coders, or anyone who spends a lot of time at a keyboard and wants an experience that's both functional and filled with character. It turns a daily tool into a piece of inspired decor. Landing at number 9 is a gadget that turns your iPhone into a professional filmmaking rig, the ACASIS Magnetic M2 NVMe SSD Enclosure. This is an incredibly niche tool for content creators. It's a magnetic enclosure for an M2 NVMe SSD that clips directly onto the back of an iPhone 15, 16, or 17 Pro, just like a MagSafe accessory. Why? So you can record ProRes video directly to the external SSD, bypassing your phone's internal storage limits entirely. No waiting to transfer files after the shoot. But it's also a 6-in-1 USB-C hub with HDMI, SD card readers, and power delivery. It has active cooling for the SSD and a sleek aluminum design. For iPhone videographers, vloggers, or anyone serious about mobile content creation, this is a powerhouse accessory that unlocks professional workflows and solves a major storage bottleneck in the most elegant way possible. And to wrap up our list at number 10, we have a lamp that doesn't just light a room, it understands it. This is the Lepro TB1 AI Smart Lamp. This is next-level ambient tech. It's a sculptural lamp with 196 individually addressable LEDs, but its brain is the Lepro Lite GPM4 AI. You don't just pick a color, you have a conversation with it. Tell the app you want gaming ambiance, holiday vibes, or focus lighting, and the AI generates a custom light show. You can even take a photo of your room or a movie poster, and it will create a lighting scheme to match the vibe. It learns your preferences over time, syncs to music, and works with Alexa. It transforms lighting from a simple utility into a dynamic, responsive, and deeply personalized part of your environment. For creating the perfect mood for anything, from a party to a movie night to a focused work session, this lamp feels like a genuine leap into the future of smart home design. And that's our look at 10 impressive new gadgets on Amazon, from cinematic projectors and retro keyboards to AI-powered lamps and creator tools. Each one brings a fresh, clever idea to life. If any of these innovations caught your eye, all the links are waiting for you down in the description. Which of these new gadgets impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this look at what's new, please give the video a like and subscribe to Gadget Audit for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.